Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to fine-tune your smart TV settings for cinema mode to enhance your viewing experience. The first step is to access the settings menu on your smart TV. This can usually be done through the remote control or by navigating the on-screen menu. Once you're in the settings, look for the display or picture settings option. In the display settings, you'll find various preset modes like standard, vivid, and cinema. Select the cinema mode for a more cinematic experience. Next, adjust the picture settings such as brightness, contrast, and color temperature to suit your preferences. Play around with these settings until you achieve the desired picture quality. Now let's move on to the sound settings. In the audio or sound settings menu, you can choose preset sound modes like standard, music, movie, or customize the settings manually. For cinema mode, we recommend selecting the movie or cinema sound mode for immersive audio quality. Adjust the bass, treble, and balance settings accordingly. If your smart TV offers advanced settings like HDR, Dolby Vision, or Dolby Atmos, make sure to enable them for a more enhanced viewing experience. These settings can optimize the picture and sound quality to deliver a true cinematic experience right in your living room. Once you've fine-tuned all the settings to your liking, sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite movies or TV shows in cinema mode on your smart TV. Remember, experimenting with different settings is key to finding the perfect configuration that suits your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.